We are fixing the pop-up block settings on your Brave browser today, so you can either block annoying spam windows or allow specific sites to open the extra tabs you actually need. Let me jump right over to my browser here and show you how it works. With Brave open on your desktop, look up at the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on the three horizontal lines, which is your main menu icon. From that drop-down list, navigate down to where it says Settings and click on it. This brings up your main control panel. On the left-hand menu pane, you want to scroll down slightly and click on Privacy and Security. Once you are in that tab, look at the main section in the middle and scroll down until you see Site and Shield Settings. Click on that option to open your specific site permissions. From here, scroll down past the basic permissions to the Content section and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. By default, Brave has this feature set to block, meaning sites cannot pop open new windows or redirect your screen without your permission. If you want to allow all pop-ups, you can toggle on the option at the top that says Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Now, the important thing to remember here is that this choice involves a trade-off. If you turn pop-ups on completely, you gain the convenience of letting bank portals, login screens, or download windows open automatically without getting stuck. However, you also lose the built-in shield protection that stops aggressive advertisers from cluttering your screen with unwanted promo tabs. In my case, I prefer to keep the bottom option selected, which is don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. That keeps the browser clean and quiet. If you ever run into a specific website that requires a pop-up to function properly while keeping the global block turned on, you can simply add that individual web address to the allowed list right at the bottom of this same page. That gives you total control over which sites are allowed to open extra windows without risking your security everywhere else on the web. Once you have selected your preferred choice, you can simply close the Settings tab and continue browsing seamlessly. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.